What's up, everyone? Today I bring this 2003 Ford Explorer truck. Okay, let me start this fucker up for you guys. That's how the interior looks like. It's a beige interior. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, let's turn this over. The gas is almost empty, so I'm not gonna run it for long. Alright. Let me just shut it off. This gas is low and I'm not gonna go. And I have to go to work tomorrow. Let me turn off the lights, demonstrate the radio. Perfect. Shuffle in. Alright. Pretty good. Perfect. So I'm gonna be doing more startups. Stay tuned for you all next time. Two sounds at once. Alright, peace.